Talent is universal, but opportunity is not. The Generation Unlimited Youth Challenge is about putting the skills, resources and opportunities into the hands of young people so that they can design solutions around education, training and skills, empowerment, employment and entrepreneurship, so the challenges that they and their friends are facing.
With this project, we want to reduce the stigma of mental health. So we want to give an opportunity for the youth to be more expressive of their emotions.
The first thing that I dream with this project is to try to improve the accessibility of quality and affordable education. Because if you see, education plays a really important role in our society.
So there's a lot of tools that are given to us, and I feel so privileged and so grateful that I have these tools